You use money every day. You check your balance, tap your phone, swipe your card, and somehow you just believe the number is real. But pause for a second. What if one day that number just disappears? Not because you spent it, but because someone else pressed a button. Sounds extreme? Not really. That's how the system works today. Money is not just paper. It's not just numbers. It's trust. You trust banks. You trust governments. You trust systems you never see. But here is the strange question. What if money did not need trust at all? That idea is Bitcoin. Let's be honest. Banks are useful, but they are not perfect. They can block your account, delay your transfers, charge fees for almost breathing. And governments, they can print money anytime they want. Imagine playing a game where the referee can change the score mid-game. Would you trust that game? Exactly. So people started asking, why do we need middlemen? Why can't we send money directly? That simple question started a revolution. In 2008, the world was in trouble. Banks were failing, people were losing money, trust was breaking, and then an unknown person appeared online. Name, Satoshi Nakamoto. No photo, no identity, no interviews, just an idea. Bitcoin. Now here is the mind-blowing part. No one knows who Satoshi is, and that might be the best thing, because if the creator was known, they could be pressured, controlled, or even forced to change the system. So Satoshi disappeared, like building a machine and throwing away the control button. No leader, no boss, no central control, just code. Now let's keep it simple. Bitcoin is digital money, but no one owns it. Not a bank, not a company, not a government. Instead, it runs on a shared record. Imagine a notebook, copied across millions of computers. Every transaction is written inside. Once written, it cannot be changed. No edits, no undo. Strict? Yes. But also, very honest, this notebook is called the blockchain. Think of it like pages, linked together. Each page stores transactions. When a page is full, it gets locked and added to the chain. Now imagine someone tries to cheat. Change one page, the whole chain breaks, and everyone notices. So the system protects itself. No manager needed, no supervisor needed, just rules. Now the big question, why does Bitcoin have value? It's not backed by gold, not backed by any country. So why does it matter? Simple, people believe in it, same as money, but Bitcoin adds one rule, it is limited. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. No more, no printing, no surprises. Imagine if there were only 21 million burgers in the world. Suddenly, you'd think twice before eating one. Scarcity creates value. But here is the deeper question. Is value created by use or by belief? Now let's talk about reality. Bitcoin is not a straight line. It's more like a roller coaster, and sometimes without safety bars. In the early years, Bitcoin was almost worthless. In 2010, someone bought pizza with 10,000 Bitcoins. Yes, 10,000. Today, that pizza would cost millions. So next time you order food, just remember, history might be watching. Then came 2013. Bitcoin started rising fast, people got excited. Price went up and then crashed hard. Why? Because early markets were weak, exchanges were not secure. One major exchange collapsed, money disappeared, trust dropped. Lesson learned. New systems break easily at first. Then came 2017, the big boom. Bitcoin reached around $20,000. Everyone was talking about it. Friends, neighbors, even that one uncle who hates technology. Everyone wanted in. But then, crash. Prices fell almost 80%. Why? Too much hype, too little understanding. People were buying without knowing what they were buying. Classic human behavior. Then came 2020 and 2021. Something different happened. Big companies entered. Large investors joined. Bitcoin hit new highs, around $60,000. This time, it wasn't just hype, it was adoption, but still not stable. Then came another fall. Major crypto companies collapsed. Some were badly managed, some were dishonest. Billions lost, people panicked, prices dropped again. So who is responsible? Not one person, it's a mix. Bad actors, greedy investors, weak systems, and sometimes just human emotions, fear and greed. The real masterminds? Not a single genius, but a combination of early developers, investors, and communities. And, of course, human psychology. Always the biggest player. Now let's talk global impact. Because Bitcoin doesn't live in a bubble, world events affect it. Big time. When conflicts rise, markets react. For example, tensions like the Iran-Israel situation increase uncertainty. People get nervous. Some move money into Bitcoin, thinking it's safe. Others sell because they want cash. So what happens? Volatility. Up, down, fast. More the people buy, price rises. More the people sells, price goes down. Bitcoin doesn't care about borders, but people do, and people move markets. Now let's talk responsibility again. In banks, you forget your password. You reset it. In Bitcoin, you lose your private key. Your money is gone. Forever. No recovery. No support team. Nothing. So ask yourself, do you really want full control? With full risk? Let's compare quickly. Banks need permission. Bitcoin doesn't. Banks can freeze money. Bitcoin cannot. Banks print money. Bitcoin is fixed. This is not a small change. It's a complete shift. From control to freedom. But freedom comes with responsibility. And sometimes, people are not ready for that. Now let's be real. Most people don't use Bitcoin daily. They don't buy coffee with it. They watch the price. They trade it. They speculate. Sometimes, it feels less like money and more like a game, a risky one, but still, it has real uses. Sending money across countries can be slow and expensive. Bitcoin can be faster. In places with unstable currencies, people use it to protect savings. And if you don't have a bank, you only need internet. That's it. But here's the big question. If it's so useful, why isn't everyone using it? Think about it. Now the truth. Bitcoin is not perfect. Prices swing wildly. Transactions can slow down. Energy use is high. Scams are everywhere. And yes, people still lose money. A lot of it. So no sugarcoating here. It's powerful, but risky. Still, Bitcoin changed everything. It proved money can exist without banks. It forced big systems to rethink. It introduced a new idea. Money controlled by code, not people. Before Bitcoin, you accepted money. After Bitcoin, you question it. So after all these years, what is Bitcoin? Not magic, not perfect, not dead. Just an experiment, trying to fix money, and whether it wins or fails. The idea is already out, and it's not going away. So here's the final question, and think about this carefully. Would you trust humans with your money, or a system that runs only on rules? And maybe the biggest question of all, is Bitcoin the future of money, or just a very expensive lesson about trust? So, if money is really about trust, and you just trusted me for the last 8 minutes, then maybe, just maybe, you can trust me for one more thing. If this made you think, even a little, hit that like button because it took 52 hours of pure grind to make this single video. And if you want more videos that make complex stuff feel simple, subscribe. Because who knows? Next time, we might question something even bigger than money.